Good evening, everyone. Warm welcome to you all. I am Pushpa D from Computer Science Department, RYM Engineering College, Bellary. Today, my teammates Ratna Tota, Sharanya N, Sujana S, and I are going to give our project demonstration, which is called as Drowsiness Detection and Alert System, under the guidance of Prasanna Kumar S. Shiva Reddy, Assistant Professor, Department of CSC, RYMEC. In India, there were 4,64,674 accidents in 2015, and they have been increasing since then. The major cause for these accidents is either the driver doesn't follow the traffic rules or he is drowsy. The US National Highway Traffic Safety Administration has gauged about 1 lakh accidents every year, provoked predominantly because of the drowsiness of the driver. We can only imagine what it is like for India, which has higher road accidents rate compared to USA. So we have come up with this project. Our objective is to overcome the problem related to the accidents related to the drivers experiencing fatigue. This leads to need arises to design a system which keeps the driver focused on the road. Therefore, many designs and prototypes have been implemented in automobiles to avoid such accidents by keeping the whole focus and concentration on accurately monitoring the open and closed state of driver's eye in real time. One such design is our project. In our project, ADAS Advanced Driver Assistance System is presented to reduce the number of accidents due to driver's fatigue and hence increase the transportation safety. This system deals with automatic driver drowsiness detection based on visual information and artificial intelligence. We propose an algorithm to locate, track, and analyze both the driver's face and eyes with a scientifically supported measure of drowsiness associated with slow eye closure. In our project, a camera is installed inside the car and is made to capture live face images of the driver. An EAR eye aspect ratio is being calculated and is then compared to the threshold value. If that value is less than that of threshold value, then the system detects that the driver is drowsy and produces the alarm that helps the driver to get out of his drowsiness. So now let us see our project details by Sharanya.
Hello everyone, this is Sharanya and let us take a brief look into the methodologies of our project. Coming to our project is associated with the app which is installed in the owner of the vehicle in which the other person, I mean the driver will be taking over the vehicle. So both Web and Android Studio is involved in our project. For web, we'll be using Python framework, and for later, we'll be using Flash framework. And the main detection in our project happens based on the capturing of the camera. A camera captures the face with Haar cascade algorithm and calculates the facial landmarks. Using the classifier, the image is basically classified into positive and negative section. Classifier detects these positive and negative sections and separates them. And positive images are taken into consideration for further work. Now let us look into the eye aspect ratio, which is EAR. After calculating the facial landmarks, we apply eye aspect ratio algorithm to detect the state of the driver. So for our project, we have considered our threshold time as 3 seconds. If the driver closes his eyes more than 3 seconds, then we'll alert him using the buzzer sound. This method is used since eye blink detection is fast, efficient, and easy to implement. The ratio of a vertical line and horizontal line is calculated when when the person closes the eyes. The vertical ratio decreases, and that is how we calculate and buzzer the system. And the further demonstration will be carried out from Ratna.
Hello everyone, my name is Ratna Tota. I am here to demonstrate the output of our project, that is real-time driver drowsiness detection system based on visual information. Here a login page is there where the admin can log in. After login, here we have two ways of detecting the drowsiness of a person. They are detect from video and one more is detect from live. We will go through the detect from video first. We will detect a recorded video. From recorded video, a beep sound will arise when the person is in drowsy. Further, we will see about the detect from live video. Which will lively detect the person in front of the camera. Where the person is drowsy, the process takes place. In this way, process takes place. When the person is drowsy, a beep sound will arise and alerts him or her. And also there will be an Android app in which the alert message will be sent to the app monitor. In our case, it will simply be owner of the vehicle, which clears him that the person driving his vehicle is drowsy. Next, Rujna will explain about the message generated in the app.
Hello everyone. As Ratna and Sharanya has explained about the Android app, now look into the app. As they had already explained, the owner can get the details of the driver, whether he is in a drowsy state or in a alert mode. Let us suppose say that vehicle number 98, we will track about the driver details. So we'll look into the details. So when I get into the details, it shows the state as safe as the driver was not in drowsy state. We can also get the history of their details. So it shows that in the timer in which time interval the driver was in drowsy state or else is in a safe state. So this is all about the app tracking. So here, by using this tracker app, the owner can get the details of the driver, whether the driver is good in driving or is a careless driver, so that he can look into the driver, so whether he can keep in the work or no. Let us look into the conclusion of this project. As we already know that driver drowsiness detection system has already a potential to greatly reduce the road accidents in the larger commercial vehicle sector, where driver fatigue is significant risk and in turn to provide major benefits to road transport. We can also say that it improves the traffic flow, and we can also say that it increases the safety and more comfortable working condition for drivers. This implementation works under various scenarios like under low light, dark, and the system sees to give the efficient results under all those conditions. Thank you, one and all, for giving us wonderful opportunity to explain about our project.